Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make radar with markers chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make radar with markers chart in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Now we can see here many charts. We select the radar chart. Then choose radar with markers. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a radar with marker chart. Now we want to edit this chart. Go to the design menu. Then click style drop down menu. Then choose another style. Otherwise you can change the color of this chart. Click colors option, then choose another color. You can change the layout. Click layout drop down menu, then choose another layout. Now we edit data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse, then go to edit data. Now we edit data to use this sheet. Otherwise rename the legend or another title. We want to edit this title. Click the title box and select the text, then edit it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.